So let's get started on our clothespin airplane. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our popsicle sticks and our clothespin, and we are going to get some markers and decorate those up. So I just took a black marker and did my outline here, and then I'm going to fill in each of these with some colors. Just wanted to let you know also there's a little thing of different stickers in your bag. You can use those to decorate your plane as well. When you're decorating your popsicle sticks, I just did one side for this to show you, but you can actually do both sides if you would like. And your clothespin, you can do the top and the sides if you want to color them in, but don't worry about the bottom because we're going to be sticking some stuff on there and you won't really get to see it anyway. So we've got our clothespin. Now we're going to put some wings and a tail on here. So we're going to put a little bit of glue so you see where the join is right here. We're going to put our wings just kind of lined up with that a little bit. And you've also got a little piece of foam here. This is just meant to be your airplane's tail. So you can decorate that up if you'd like with some markers. I just wrote a little message, hello, on there. And we're going to stick that on the tail of my plane, like so. Now we're going to want to give that quite a bit of time to dry. So I'm going to leave that there and we'll come back once it's had a chance to stick. So the wings and tail have had a little bit of time to dry now. So we'll flip this over. On the bottom, we're going to take this little strip of black here. Is actually a magnet. So some of them will still have a sticky back on them in your bag, some of them won't. Either way, it's still a good idea to glue these on. And you don't have to put the magnets on if you don't want. I just thought if you wanted to park your plane on the fridge when you're not playing with it, that might be a good idea. So put a little strip of glue on there, glue that magnet. Some of them are a little bit bendy, so also in your bag there's this rubber band, and that's to just, now don't knock your tail off when you do this, that's just to hold that in place. Just until it dries, and then you can clip that off or take it off. The last thing that you've got, and again this is optional, you don't have to put this on, there's a little sequin that's in the shape of, it'll look like this, kind of flower type one. There's also some that look like this. And that's just supposed to be the propeller to your plane. To put your propeller on, you're going to take some glue and just put it on the nose of your airplane. So with your propeller on your plane, that's this craft all finished up. Make sure you give it lots of time to dry before you play with it. You can keep them on the fridge with this magnet so it doesn't get lost. And if you have some of these supplies at home, you could make some more of them, of different designs and colors and things. Thank you for joining me for another Take and Make craft. It was so fun working on this project together. Next week we're going to be doing an art start at the library, so you can make sure to pick up a bag for our scratch pictures, and I think you're going to really enjoy that. So have a great week and I'll see you then.